Dear students, in this video, I am going to explain about inserting at the end of the list. How to insert a new node at the end of the list. So through this diagram, let us see the concept. So here, this is the list already existing. That is, elements are 4 and 6. Here, head contains the address of the first element and the tail contains the address of the last element. This is already existing. In that, I would like to insert at the end of the list. So this is the new node I created with the data part is 5. New nodes next will be null. It is created, it should be added at the end. So what we have to do now, listen carefully. This is tails next, what I have to arrange, tails next is equal to new node. So here I have to assign new node. So what is the value of new node? 4000 will go here, so that it will give link to this. And here also, this is the end part. So new nodes next to what address should be there, head address should come. So 2000 we have to. Okay, after inserting, the diagram looks like this. Head is 2000 pointing the first node. Here, the last node becomes the tail now. Previously, 6 is the last node, but now we added at the end. So 5 is the last node. So tail equal to finally what we have to do? New node. So new node address 4000 will go here so that it is pointing here. So this is what the main thing we have to do it. Now, through this diagram, you understand the concept. Let us see the coding part for this. This is the coding. So here, what is the name of the function? Insertion at end. From main function, we are calling this. So control is coming here with the data 5 as per the diagram. After that, we have to create the new node with this 4 lines as usual. So declaration using DMA, we allocated the space. Okay, and then data is filled with 5 and the next part is filled with a null. Okay, here as usual, two cases we are having. First, the list is empty. The condition is head equal to null. If it is the case, whatever I created, that will become the head and the tail. Okay, so I created this. Actually, this is the new node. Its address is 1000, for example. So head is also 1000 pointing here, and a tail is also 1000. Tail is also new node, so both are pointing here. This is the first case. Second case, this three lines we will discuss with the diagram. Suppose if the list contains the element, what is this? Tail of next is equal to new node. Who is tail? This is tail. Tails next, this part equal to new node. New node is 4000, so that it gives connection to here. Okay, and here previously null will be there. First step is assigned. Second step, tail equal to new node. Now this is tail equal to new node. What is the new node value? 4000. So previously it is pointing 3000, but now tail equal to new node. New node is 4000, so it is going to point here. This is the last node. This two steps over. Last one, what is that? Tail of next equal to head. Who is tail now? This is tail. Its next is equal to head. What is the head value? 2000. So what will happen? It is pointing to the first one. Okay, so this link will be cancelled because it is connected to 4000. So now you see here, one by one, let us check this one. Tail of next is equal to new node. Yes, previously this is tail of next is equal to 4000, and now tail equal to new node. That assignment also we have done. At the end, tail of next is equal to head value. Yeah, everything done, so that the insertion is completed now. I hope you understand the coding part. Now let us see the animation part for that. First, let us see the empty list. As per the condition, empty list is head equal to null and tail equal to null. Now you see that head equal to null with the data 5. Okay, first creating the new node, its address is 1000 and its data is 5. As per the coding, actually new node of next is also assigned the null. Okay, and next, this condition true because head value is equal to null. Once it is null, what we have to do? Head is equal to tail is equal to new node, and the new node of head next is equal to head. What we are doing here, this part actually in the coding we have done at the end of that. Okay, so here this part of next should be equal to head value, so that it is pointing, that is maintaining the circularity, right? First case is done. Second case, once it is over, it will terminate the function. Next, existing list. Here 4 and 6 is there. Head contains the address of 4 and the tail contains the last node's address, that is 6 address 3000. Now I'm going to add at the end of the list. So how the program works now? Head value is 2000 and the data is 5 in this case, right? We are creating the new node with address 4000 and the data is 5. Okay, and then next node will be null for this case. Here first condition fails, if condition fails, directly we are going to else condition. In that, tail of next is equal to new node we added. What is new node? 4000 is added. Okay, and the next step, tail is equal to new node. So now tail is pointing the new node. Okay, and the last step, tail of next is equal to head, so that we inserted at the end. I hope you understand the concept through this animation. So now we are going to discuss the algorithm part. So first, creating the new node, so allocating memory for that, and the next step is new node of data we have to fill up, and the new node of next will be null. Okay, this is first case. What is that? If the list is empty, what we have to do? Head is null, said head to new node, and a tail also to new node. Okay, if it contains elements, then what we have to do? This part we have done. So new node to tail of next, and a new node to tail finally. Once it is over, we have to create the circularity. What is the circularity? The last node should connect it to the first node. So for that, what we assigned, head to tail of next. This is for maintaining the circularity. Once everything is over, we just completed the function, return function, right? So I hope you understand the concept of insertion at the end of the list in circular linked list. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.